Hi, everybody. Well, thank you for tuning in to Rascals Crafts. My name is Chuck, and this is just a short video about something that has really been driving me nuts for the last few weeks. So, are adhesion issues driving you crazy? They are me. But I think I found the solution, at least part of it. Okay, I have a Creality CR10S and a Anycubic Mega Pro. Both of them lately, nothing has turned out right. Adhesion. The darn things are coming off the plate. Or the corners are lifting. Or they're getting the, what do they call it, the salmon skin, where it's the bottom layers, all the little threads are puckling up and stuff. Well, I got onto YouTube and I started doing a whole bunch of research. What I found out is that you may have to turn the temperature up or of the hot end, or turn the temperature down on the hot end. You have to turn the bed temperature up or down. Use hairspray. Use glue stick. What else? Clean the bed with isopropyl alcohol. Print slower, print faster. I mean, everything. I tried everything. Couldn't figure it out. Every print, adhesion issues. But I got to thinking. I know, sometimes it hurts. What happens, or when was the last time I had a good print? It was before the weather turned cold. So, could that be the problem? My printers are in a little off section of my garage. And I built a wall, so it's fully enclosed, so I don't have dirt and dust coming out of the garage and into the prints. It's enclosed. There's no UV light, so I can use my resin printers, which I have 2 of. The only thing it is not is heated. So I went and grabbed myself a portable heater, turned it to 72 degrees, and let the little room warm up. The room was before the heater. The room was averaging during the winter in the mid to upper 50s. I'm thinking, okay, well, then hot end is hot, the bed is hot, should it adhere? Nope. So I put the heater in and I let it heat up to 72 degrees, and I went and did a print. It worked. Oh my God, it worked. It actually adhered to the print bed. I went and put all of my nozzle temperatures and the bed heat back to what I was doing before it started getting cold outside, and still worked. It's amazing. So I know that a lot of people are having adhesion issues. If you work in an unheated area like I do, put a heater in it. Gonna help. Okay? Hey, hit the like button, subscribe. If this has helped you, leave a comment. And right now I'm in the middle of a really big project, and that should be done hopefully within the next few days. And we'll go from there. Okay? Hey, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. Okay? Bye.